Okay, before beginning the class, today's class will end around 7:20. There will probably be parts where you can solve or check all of them, but I will upload the problem solving video to Google Classroom in today's class PPT. So let's begin. Second class, we will learn about more data-related class. First is conditional formatting. It is a form applied when the cell value satisfies a specific condition. It is available through the Home tab, Style Group, Conditional Formatting button. You can create new rules and manage rules that you want in addition to the highlight cells rules, top bottom rules, data bar, color scale, and icon sets. The first picture is the conditional formatting picture, and they have a lot of many rules. And there is a new rule button in the conditional formatting. When the new rule button is pressed, the new formatting rule window appears, and you can select the desired rule through select a rule type and edit the corresponding rule into the desired rule through edit the rule description. And if you press the Manage Rules button, the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager window appears, and you can check the list of conditional rules set by the user. This window also allows you to create, edit, or delete new rules. And if you select a rule and press the Duplicate Rule button, you can create one more rule that is the same as the selected rule. Because the rules are applied in the order above, you can change the order of the rules with the up-down arrow button next to the duplicate rule button. Right here. So the question is on page 5 of workbook 412 or closest classification worksheet in Excel 412. There are 5 questions in this worksheet. If have any problem, if you feel so little hard, then use this hint. It is about these questions. And if you're done, please chat thumbs up in Zoom, please. Okay, let's solve together. The first A1 is I use the cell formatting. First, drag the cell range before B18 and open the Format Cells window. Click the date category and find the like 1 Jan 22. It is 1 Jan 22, so apply it. It is the answer. The second A2 is use the custom cell formatting. H4. Drag and open the cell format cell window and click custom category. And the positive number has color red and it has decimal number 2. So we use the number, but there is no number in decimal. It appears 0, so not hashtag, we use 0 and semicolon. And negative number has a color blue, so blue, and it has the minus mark and hashtag, but negative number don't have a decimal number, so it is the end. And you can see the applied. A3 is use the border category, border tab. Drag off this table and open the window, this border tab. First, we use one line in this to use the inside. Then we use these 2 lines in outline. Okay. You can see the results. And B1, B2 is use the conditional formatting. First, mouse. We use to drag E4, E18, and click the conditional formatting. And we should appear top 5. We use these top 10 items. You can change the number, the items 5 change, and use the green field with dark green text. And you can find the end result. And it also use conditional formatting. Cell range G4, G18. It is more than $20, so you can change these dollars 20, and we apply the RGB color in this custom format. It is same fill, more colors, and custom. And write this RGB color. Then, mm, oh, sorry. I applied the less than $20. So I delete it and 여기다 greater than. Mm, Okay, is it right answer? Next is cell analysis worksheet. It is about the math function in the first class, so you can solve it easy to use hint. The question is on page 6 of the workbook 412, sales analysis worksheet in Excel 412. If you're done, please chat thumbs up in Zoom. Okay, let's solve together. The first question A1 is require the purchase money. Here, it is multiple the unit price and purchase quantity these months. And you can use the auto-filling like this. Question A2 is required sales amount. Is here. It is multiple unit price and sales quantity. Also, you can use this auto-filling. And A3 is required total quality quantity. It is some purchase quantities. And last month carryover quantity. And use auto-filling. A4 is required carryover quantity for next month. Is here. It is used subtract total quantity and sales quantity. And A5 is required profit amount. It has subtract sales amount and purchase money and multiple margin ratio. But this margin ratio is we need the price. Since the margin ratio should continue to be differences, so we use the absolute difference. Press the F4 key. It is changed like this. And you use auto-filling. Another cell is changed, but this cell is not changed. A6 is sum of the cells. Also, this, but you use auto-filling. There, this dollar mark is disappears, so we use fill without formatting. Then dollar marks appear again. And A7 is maximum. We use the max or min function. Max. We can drag this profit amount cell range. Like this. Then we can solve all the questions. Next is Scenario Manager. It is a tool that can compare and analyze the number of cases based on different data input values by creating various scenarios. It is mainly used for home analysis. The part where the lizard is displayed must be composed of an equation to see the value that changes. It is available through Data tab, Forecast group, What if analysis button, Scenario Manager, like the first picture. When you press the Scenario Manager button, the Scenario Manager window appears as shown in the photo below in the right picture. You can use the functions of add, delete, edit, merge, and summary of scenarios. When you press the Add button in the Scenario Manager window, the Add Scenario window appears as shown in the picture 1. You can select the scenario name, select the cell you want to change the value in the scenario, and add a description of the scenario. To enter multiple change cells in here like this, the by selecting the arrow to the right of the changing cells and pressing the Ctrl key to click the desired cell. After you finish the desired text, press the OK button. Then you can see the picture 3 will appear, allowing you to enter a value corresponding to the change cell selected by the user. As shown in the picture on the 3 is the origin values, and you can enter like picture 4 on other values. If the scenario was successful, you can see the user created scenario in the Scenario Manager window in the list like the picture on the left. In the picture on the right, you can select the Merge Scenarios with the Merge Scenarios windows that appears when you press the Merge button. And you can merge scenarios on different sheets rather than those on the same sheet. If you press the Summary button in the Scenario Manager window, the Scenario Summary window appears. The Scenario Summary window allows you to select the type of report and the location of the resulting cell. The reason why the result cell should be composed of an equation is that the result changes only when the value of the argument made in the equation changes. If it is not an equation, the result does not change and the report is not generated properly. So the question is on page 11 of workbook 412, item analysis worksheet in Excel 412. There is a hint for 5 questions. We will solve together. So if you're done, please chat thumbs up in Zoom. Okay, let's solve it together. The question A1 is require the sales profit. This. It is also used the math function. Select price. This price. Sales and using the auto filling. A1 is clear. A2 is find the sum of the sale range DC. Okay. Also use the sum and drag the sale range and use auto filling. Use this fill without formatting, so no dollar mark is here. And this B question is related in scenario manager. Scenario manager. Is this what analysis? And B1 is the add test one scenario. So add and name. We need to 5 cells. So press Ctrl key and click these 5 cells and press enter. The 5 cell is successfully entered and press OK. We can change the values. Is 9.2. This and press OK. And B1 is clear. Successfully make the test 1 scenario. The same way, we make the test 2. Before we make this test 2, test 1 has same cells, so we don't need to change cells. Press OK button and write the another values and we make another scenario. So we need B3. B3 is summarize the scenario. So we press this summary. The B3 requires that this scenario summary, and we change the result cells G4 to G15 and press enter. We change the result cells and press OK. We can find this another worksheet and current values and test one's values, test 2's values. We can compare the results. Okay. So we have maybe 3 more worksheets, but maybe we can solve the student level cost worksheet. So I will explain the last data explanation. Chart is a graphic tool that visually represents data. It serves to help you understand and compare complex data easily. Excel provides various types of charts and clearly shows data patterns, trends, and relationships. It is available through the Insert tab, Chart group, Recommended charts, or through the buttons on the chart you want. This is recommended button. This is another button through you can choose. Make the chart before you need data to make a chart. Representatively, use data or tables. If you press the recommended chart button while selecting the cell range of data you want to make a chart, it will inform you of the set of charts suitable for the data characteristics when you make the data selected by user into a chart. Charts can also be created through the insert column or bar chart, like these icons. The picture below shows the average of last month, this month's average data, selected as the cell range and pressing the recommendation chart button. When you create a chart by selecting the insert column or bar chart, 3D clustered column graph, a chart such as the picture below is created. After you create a chart, you can edit several parts of the chart. If you double-click the chart title letter, you can change it to the type you want. And if you double-click the part you want, you can edit the format of related series. There is a format edit, format data series, format data elements, etc. When you click on a chart, a screen like the picture below appears, and you can also edit the chart through the icon on the right here. From the top, it is chart elements, chart styles, and chart filters. This is the last questions today. So I will give you guys 6 minutes. If you think hard to look at the hint, and if you don't, please chat thumbs up in Zoom, please. Oh, sorry, I didn't explain one more thing, you guys. If you press this filter button in chart, you can see this window in select data source. In this window, you can change the name of this chart, like this part or this part. If you edit this button, you can change their name or change and or delete some parts of the chart. It is all okay. I see the Zoom chatting. Oh, you guys need to turn off the computer in 4:30. So another questions answer. I will upload it in Google Classroom with this PPT. So we will finish this class today. Thank you for guys. Gracias.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Recording stopped.
Thank you guys for today's class. It was very interesting. So Excel is a very useful tool for every day, I think. So thank you very much for the class again.
Thank you.
Uh, we'll continue on Wednesday with next class, right? All right.
Yes.
It is about Excel again. Ok. Y chicos, entonces sí, hasta aquí llegamos con la clase de hoy. Muchas gracias a todos los que se conectaron y participaron con sus preguntas y demás. Igual, Subin nos indica que si alguien tiene alguna consulta adicional, puede hacerla eh, al correo, igual al WhatsApp de nosotros también.